Hey, what's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. And today, this is going to be the part on HDMI. So look at this. This is going to be a nice HDMI adapters, which I actually bought it on Amazon for only $8.99. You will get 8 different kind of adapters, which is probably going to be the similar. Mostly, the female port will be the regular, and the other ones, the male port will be either a micro or mini. But most of the cases you will get something different, which is a micro, the regular HDMI with the regular HDMI out. You will get like 2 of these to extend the HDMI, and you can get the L-shaped 2 female version to extend your HDMI cable.